Hey everyone, my name is Sidra. Today I'm going to be making Chipotle's vegetarian bowl. So there's essentially 5 parts to this recipe: the rice, the veggies, the beans, the salsa, and the guacamole. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by boiling the rice first. Brown rice takes a while to cook, so this will be my first step. I will throw in a bay leaf first, and I will put in a tablespoon of salt. Next, I'm going to boil some canned black beans, and to this I'm going to add some garlic, paprika, a little bit of coriander powder, and cumin powder. For my salsa, I'm using 2 tomatoes, some fresh cilantro, about 1/4 red onion, some lemon juice, and some garlic, and I'm gonna combine all of these in a big bowl. So now that I've combined the ingredients together, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lemon juice in here, and I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to taste and mix. I'm actually gonna blend my salsa because I want it a little bit more liquid. So I'm just gonna throw it into the blender and just blend it for about 10 seconds. This is what my salsa looks like now. After blending it, I got this kind of consistency, and that's what I was looking for. For my vegetables, I'm using 3 bell peppers and 1 red onion. I'm gonna chop these up and we'll be right back. So I've already got oil heating in a pan right now, and to this I'm gonna add the onions, and after the onions turn soft and brown, I'm going to add the bell peppers. So while the onions are cooking, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic, paprika, cumin powder, and just a little bit of ginger powder. It looks like the onions are soft now, so it's time to add the bell peppers. I'm also gonna add salt to taste. So I'm actually gonna add corn in my veggies as well. This is optional. I like corn in my chipotle bowl, so I will just add that in. For my guacamole, unfortunately, I'm not making it from scratch. I'm using a pre-made guacamole paste. To this, I'm gonna add about half of a diced tomato. So it looks like the rice is completely cooked. I'm just gonna remove the bay leaf, and I'm gonna add some fresh cilantro to this, and I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. And I'm gonna mix this. Now that the rice, veggies, beans, salsa, and guacamole are prepared, I'm ready to put them on a plate. I've already laid out the rice. I'm just going to add the vegetables, and then I'm going to add the beans. So this chipotle bowl is pretty much done. I'm just going to top it off with some black olives, some sour cream, and some shredded cheddar cheese. Alright guys, so this is the chipotle bowl. I hope you enjoyed my video and give it a try at home.